Hello students, today we will discuss the sexual reproduction in the human beings. ठीक है? In previous video we have already studied the sexual reproduction in plants with the help of the flower, which is the sexual, that is the structural and functional unit of the reproduction, and in the flower, that is in the angiosperm, we have studied the sexual reproduction. So now we will go towards the second part, that is the B part, sexual reproduction in human beings. So for the sexual reproduction we require the two different gametes, that is the male gamete and female gamete. Okay, so these are the two different gametes which is required for the sexual reproduction. Okay, so in the human being, the male reproductive system is different, female reproductive system is different, clear hai? And these two different systems combines together to form the new living organism. Okay, so in the male, these are the some function, these are the some hormones, we can say that, which are secreted by the endocrine glands. We have already studied in the 9th standard also. Okay, the number of the glands which are present in our body, that is, some are the exocrine gland and some are the endocrine gland. Okay, so the male reproductive system produces a hormone or secreted hormone which is called as testosterone. This hormone is secreted by a testes. This is secreted by a testis in the male reproductive system. Okay, and with the help of this hormone, the reproduction or the function of the male reproductive system is being carried out. That is the testosterone, which is produced by the testes in the human being, that is the male reproductive system. Whereas in female reproductive system, it secreted, same one, it secreted two hormones, that is the estrogen and second one progesterone. In some books, instead of estrogen, it is started with the O, but here O is the silent. You can write this spelling also, or directly estrogen also. Okay? So as per the textbook, we are going O is silent, so how to read? Estrogen. O is silent here. Okay? So estrogen and progesterone, these two hormones carried out the function of the reproductive system in the female. Okay? And they are produced by ovary. Okay, so these are the two essential organ in male and female reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of testes and female reproductive system consists of ovary. So these are the two essential hormones, these are the two essential parts which are present in the reproduction system of male and the female. Okay, so now we go towards the in previous standard also we have studied. Okay, you are able to understand, these are the two male gametes, male and female gametes. These are the two different germ cells which is required for the sexual reproduction in the human being. And these are the different hormones which are secreted by the particular, that is the gametes, with the help of the testes and the ovary. And they are helpful for the reproduction. Okay? Or with the help of this hormone only, the reproduction is being carried out in the human being. Okay? So, in previous standard also we have studied human being contain 46 number of chromosomes. Clear? 46 number of the chromosome. That means 23 pairs. Clear? One pair contains the two chromosomes. 23 pairs. And out of these 23 pairs, 22 are called as autosomes, as autosomes means what? The structure and organization of that chromosome in the pair is same. That's why 22 pairs are called as the autosomes, because their structure, their function and their organizations are same. Whereas one pair that is the 22 autosomes, and one pair is called allosomes. That is the 23rd pair. Allosomes, or we can say that sex chromosome, or we can say that the sex chromosome. It is called as allosomes because the in that pair the structure and the function of two or organization of two chromosomes are different. That's why they are called as a allosomes or sex chromosome. Okay, so these sex chromosomes in male and sex chromosomes in female. In male, sex chromosomes are XY type of the sex chromosome, and in female, X type of the sex chromosomes. Okay? So these are called as a 23rd pair, which is called as a allosomes or sex chromosome. So in male, XY type of the sex chromosomes are available or found, and in female, X type of the chromosomes are available or found. Okay? So before going toward the sexual reproduction in the human being, we should study the two different reproductive systems, that is a male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. And later on we will discuss about the sexual reproduction, which is carried out in the two processes, that is the first gamete formation and second one fertilization. So before that, in this video we will discuss the male reproductive system. Okay? Note down this point. That is a male reproductive system. फर्स्ट सिस्टम हम स्टडी करेंगे male reproductive system. For that, I will first draw the diagram. Okay. So this is diagram of male reproductive system. Okay. I'm trying to draw the diagram perfectly. Okay. So go towards the first of all, this male reproductive system contains a main function which is carried out by testes, which produces function of the testes, which produces the male gamete, and second function, that is produce the hormone. So which hormone? That is the testosterone. So this is the two function of the testes: production of the male gamete and the production of hormone. Male gamete, that means the sperm. Here, male gamete, that means the production of the sperm and the production of the hormone. These are the two functions of the testes. Second part, that is it contains, male reproductive system contains various duct. Okay? And third one, it contains the number of glands. So these are the three important parts which are present in the male reproductive system, that is the testes. Various ducts are present and number of glands for the secretion of material. Through that material, the sperm can able to move. Okay? Easily. So let me go towards the labeling of the diagram. So this part, this is the main part, is known as testes. This is the main part which is known as testes. Clear enough? Which produces the male gamete, that is the sperm, and production of the hormone. It's carried out in the testes. So pair of testes are present. Okay, pair of testes which are situated in the pouch-like structure. ये जो है ना, which are situated in the pouch-like structure is called as scrotum. Testes which are situated in the pouch-like structure is known as scrotum. Okay, so in that pouch द टेस्टिस आर सिचुएटेड. ठीक है, अराउंड द टेस्टिस, ये जो आपको नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है बोथ साइड में, ठीक है, दिस नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज epididymis. Epididymis, ठीक है, dymis, epididymis, that is a net-like structure which is present around the testes, and in that net-like structure epithelium is present, and in that epithelium whatever the semicells are present, it undergoes the meiosis type of the cell division to produce the sperm. Actually in that net structure the sperm are being produces. ठीक है, तो ये हो गए मेन पार्ट, टेस्टिस which produces the sperm and the hormone testosterone, which are situated in this pouch-like structure which is known as the scrotum. The net-like structure around the testis is known as the epididymis. Okay, so after that जब ये sperm production यहाँ पे complete हो जाएगा epididymis में, testis में आएगा, and then through that these tube-like structure से it is carried out towards the urinogenital duct. ठीक है, ये जो ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है ना जिससे ये ऊपर आएगा, सो दिस ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज वास डेफरेंस. दिस ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर थ्रू व्हिच द स्पर्म स्टार्ट्स टू ट्रैवल, दिस ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज द वास डेफरेंस. ठीक है, और ये जो है आपका, ये क्या है आपका यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. ये क्या है आपका यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, और ये जो ऊपर जा रहा है ना, दिस इज नथिंग बट द दैट इज द यूटेरस. ये ऊपर का पार्ट कौन सा है आपका, किडनी की तरफ जाने वाला है. ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे दो बीन शेप किडनी प्रेजेंट होगी, बराबर है. ओके, मतलब एक बात मैं क्लियर कर दूं, दैट इज द यूरिनरी और द टेक आउट ऑफ द यूरिन and take out of the sperm plus secretory material, the path is the same. Means in the male reproductive system, reproduction system and the formation of the urine or ejaculation of the urine throughout the body is the same. One system carried out the two function, that is a removal of the urine also and removal of the semen which is known as the sperm plus secretory material. ठीक है, तो दोनों भी एक ही सिस्टम से बाहर निकलते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द यूरेटर्स which is goes towards the upside of the kidney. तो दोनों सिस्टम का फंक्शन एक ही है, जो एक ही पाथ है जिसमें जिससे दोनों सिस्टम अपने फंक्शंस कैरिड आउट करते, टेकन आउट थ्रू द बॉडी, यूरिन आल्सो एंड द sperm also. Okay, so this is the urinary bladder. Okay, the main function, main part is remain, which is known as the penis, which is known as the penis. Through that, whatever the material, secretory material is there, urine is there, it is get taken out throughout the body. That part is known as the penis. Okay, let me move towards the next part. Some ducts are also present. तो ये जो sperm है यहाँ से travel करते हुए इस duct में आएगा. That duct is known as, this duct is known as ejaculatory duct. This duct is known as ejaculatory duct, जहाँ से ये पास होते होते इस साइड में आएगा यहाँ पे, and then through that it get enter into this part. This duct is known as urethra, or urethra बोला था ना हमने. Through the urethra the urine is taken out from the body. किडनी के टाइम पर यूरेथ्रा भी हम इसे बोल सकते हैं, और यूरानो जेनाइटल डक्ट, इसे क्या बोल सकते हैं, दिस पार्ट को थ्रू विच द स्पर्म इज टेकन आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी, थ्रू विच द that is urine is taken out from the body. That place, that duct is known as, that tubular part is known as urethra or urinogenital duct. Okay, so these are the ducts. Various ducts are present, that is the two duct, ejaculatory duct and the urinogenital duct. Okay, these two ducts are present in the male reproductive system. Next one, various number of glands are present. So first gland, that is the, this gland, ये जो दिखाई दे रहा है, pair of gland, दोनों साइड्स में, एक साइड में एक दूसरी साइड में pair of a gland is present. This gland is known as prostate gland. ठीक है, pair of glands are present is known as the prostate gland. Now next one, ये bulb like जो gland present है, ठीक है, is known as Cowper's gland. यहाँ पे दो, okay, sorry. Cowper's gland, pair of a Cowper's gland, and the third gland which is present on the both sides of this urinary bladder is known as seminal vesical gland. Seminal vesical gland. ठीक है. So how many glands are present? That is a total 3 glands are present. Cowper's glands. ठीक है. Then the seminal vesical gland and the prostate gland. 2 duct are present, which are that ejaculatory duct, जहाँ पे seminal vesical gland open होती है ना, this place is known as the ejaculatory duct, and second duct through which the urine or the sperm is taken out from the body. This part is known as the urethra or urinogenital duct. Okay, so ये हो गए सब indication, and this is the urinary bladder. I think nothing is present. Okay. Okay. So labeling आपको समझ में आ चुकी है, ठीक है. These are the different parts of the male reproductive system. Main part कौन सा है? Testes, which produces the sperm. The sperm production is carried out in the epididymis. So this epididymis contain a number of the tubules. Various tubules are contained. That is known as a seminiferous tubules. And that seminiferous tubules contain the epithelium tubules. Again, epithelium tubules में क्या होता है? Meiosis से cell division होता है उनका, ठीक है. And the sperm are produced, and these sperms are then carried out towards the testes, and through the testes it get entered into this vas deferens, that is the tubular part, ठीक है. And from that tubular part it comes into this portion, that is the ejaculatory duct, and when it get passed, this sperm when it get passed from the various gland, मतलब इस यहाँ पे आता है वो पहले, that is seminal vesical gland की तरफ. Seminal vesical gland secrete their material into the ejaculatory duct. Like next one, that is the prostate gland and Cowper's gland. They secrete the material in the urinogenital duct. ठीक है. ये दो ग्लैंड है, जो प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड एंड काउपर्स ग्लैंड, जो अपना सिक्रीशन है, हार्मोन सिक्रीशन है, सिक्रीटरी मटेरियल जो है वो कहाँ पे सिक्रीट करता है? यूराइनोजेनिटल डक्ट में. यहाँ पे ओपन होता है वो, ठीक है, यहाँ से. Okay, both glands they secrete their material in urinogenital duct और urethra बोल सकते हैं. and जो seminal vesical gland है वो अपना material जो secrete करती है ejaculatory duct में. तो जब ये sperm जो है ये travel करता है from one place to the another place through the various gland, so whatever the it becomes, we can say that it becomes able to fertile, or it becomes more and more mature, so that okay. So when the sperm is get traveled from the various gland, it becomes more and more matured, so that it can able to fertile the ovum. क्योंकि sperm को क्या करना है? जो ovum है, जो egg cells है in the female reproductive system, उसे वो fertile करना है, fertilization करना है to produce the new living organism. ठीक है? So when the I hope you understand the testes produces, or testes contain the seminiferous tubules, and that tubules contain the germinal epithelium, which undergoes a meiosis type of the cell division to produce the sperm. ठीक है? And then these sperms through the vas deferens is travel towards the this ejaculatory duct, and when it get passed through the various duct or various gland, it becomes more and more mature due to the secretion of the hormone or secretory material by the various gland. It becomes more matured and it's able to fertile the ovum, and through the urinogenital duct it get taken out from the body, or it get taken out through the male reproductive system. ठीक है? तो ये जो part है, that is urinogenital duct, and the end of that duct is urinogenital duct, and end is known as the penis. पेनिस को जो है that is the muscular part होता है जो उसे protection provide करता है. ठीक है? This muscular part, okay, around the urinogenital duct, and the single scrotum is present in which the testes are situated. Okay, so this is the total we can say that the male reproductive system in which the various ducts are present, glands are present, and the that is the testis, which is the essential organ in the male reproductive system. Okay, so जो sperm होता है, this is the structure like that. The structure of sperm. Okay, this is the structure of the sperm. Okay, ये हुआ उसका न्यूक्लियस सपोज, ठीक है, and this is the it is a mitochondria because the lots of amount of the energy is required because इसे क्या करना है, ट्रैवलिंग करना है, और ट्रैवलिंग के लिए इसे क्या चाहिए, लिक्विड मटेरियल चाहिए थ्रू दैट इट कैन इजीली स्विम, क्योंकि स्विमिंग के लिए इसके पास क्या है, लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन्स है, दैट इज अ फ्लैजेला. So through that it can easily swim through that material, and that material, liquid material, is secreted by the different glands. Okay, so this gland provide the liquid material also and the sucrose, kind of the energy production, so that it can able to alive to reach up to the ovum. ठीक है, सो जो एनर्जी चाहिए उसे, जो न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए और नरिशमेंट चाहिए, इट इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द सिक्रेटरी मटेरियल बाय दिस ग्लैंड्स. ठीक है, एंड आल्सो द लिक्विड मटेरियल, क्योंकि उसे स्विम करना है तो वाटर मीडियम चाहिए ना उसे, सो वाटर मीडियम इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय दिस ग्लैंड्स सो दैट इट कैन एबल टू इजीली स्विम. क्योंकि इसे कितना डिस्टेंस कैरिड आउट करना पड़ता है to taken out through the male reproductive system, that is a total 6.5 meter. इतना डिस्टेंस उसे कैरी आउट करना पड़ता है, ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है 6.5 मीटर्स. ठीक है, एंड स्पर्म की लेंथ कितनी होती है, 60 माइक्रोमीटर. ठीक है ना, 1 माइक्रोमीटर मीन्स 10⁻⁻6 मीटर. तो इतनी छोटी लेंथ की और इतना स्मॉल वो स्पर्म होता है, एंड इट हैव टू ट्रैवल 6.5 मीटर डिस्टेंस टू टेकन आउट. मतलब ये जो टोटल डिस्टेंस है दैट इज 6.5 मीटर टू टेकन आउट थ्रू द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. तो इतना अगर उससे डिस्टेंस कैरिड आउट करना है और अलाइव रहना है, सो इट रिक्वायर द लॉट्स ऑफ द एनर्जी, एंड दैट एनर्जी इज सिचुएटेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द सुक्रोज in the mitochondria also, and whatever the watery medium or secretory material जो various glands secrete करने वाले होते हैं उसमें भी sucrose होता है, so that we provide the nutrition and the nourishment to that sperm to become alive, up to reach up to the ovum. ठीक है, so this is the total male reproductive system. सब points I think cover हो चुके हैं. Okay. एंड लेंथ ऑफ ईच इपिडिडाइमिस, इसकी जो लेंथ होती है ईच इपिडिडाइमिस की, वो कितनी होती है, 6 मीटर. ओके, दैट इज 6 मीटर्स की उसकी इपिडिडाइमिस की लेंथ होती है, एंड स्पर्म की लेंथ होती है 60 माइक्रोमीटर, एंड हाउ मच डिस्टेंस स्पर्म हैव टू कवर, दैट इज 6.5 मीटर. सो एक्सेप्ट, मतलब हर एक जो डक्ट है इट इज इन द पेयर फॉर्म. देखो टेस्टिस की भी पेयर है. ओके, टेस्टिस की भी पेयर है, पेयर ऑफ टेस्टिस आर प्रेजेंट. ठीक है, पेयर ऑफ वास डेफरेंस, पेयर ऑफ काउपर्स ग्लैंड, पेयर ऑफ प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड, पेयर ऑफ दैट इज सेमिनल वेसिकल ग्लैंड, पेयर ऑफ इजैक्युलेटरी डक्ट. सिंगल कौन से ऑर्गन है, दैट इज यूरानोजेनिटल डक्ट, दैट इज यूरेथ्रा, ये एक सिंगल है. स्क्रोटम, ये इट इज आल्सो अ सिंगल, एंड द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर वेयर द that is the urine is temporarily gets stored during the copulation period. ठीक है, so that is the urinary bladder. These are the some points which are remain. Okay, penis and the scrotum. Penis is also a single one, scrotum is also a single, and urinogenital single. ये सिर्फ single part है, बाकी के सब paired formation में. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the session and understand the male reproductive system. तब तक के लिए bye.